almost all of the teacher at the primary level, secondary level, college level, and university do the lesson planning. So for writing the lesson planning, they must be familiar how to write the lesson objective. In this video, I will explain in detail how to write the lesson objective. So, characteristic of objective according to Maker 1998 is that it describes student performance. It is about end rather than means. It describes condition under which performance occur on the job. It describes the standard of concept of performance. So, in short, objective will describe the what the student should be able to do. Actually, it's tell about the performance of the student. And the next is the condition under which the doing will occur. So it also about the condition. The criteria by which the performance will be judged is acceptable. So for writing the objective, the student should be able to perform. There will be condition and acceptable performance. Sample. Given the toolkit and PC assembling manual, the student will be able to disassemble and assemble the content of this system unit within 2 hours. So it's an excellent objective. Given the toolkit and PC as manual, it's a condition. So the student is actually here is the audience and will be able to is their behavior the content of the system. So it's example of the standard and competency in K to 12 curriculum. Content and performance standard and competency. Use standard based instruction for writing the object. Content standard. Define what students should know and be able to do. Or benchmark which identify the accepted understanding and scale for content standard at different levels. Performance standard. Describe how well students need to achieve in order to meet content standard. So actually they are going to perform in their real life or not. A level of proficiency which the students are expected to demonstrate what they know and what they are able to do is actually a performance standard. Competency are specific tasks performed with mastery and getting the expertise in their field. Refer the ability to perform activity within the occupation or function in the standard expected by drawing from one knowledge scale and attitude. So, getting the mastery in every field is called the competency. Sample English oral. For example, the learner understands the standard of English in order to participate in various oral communication demand, situation and purpose. And that is the example of content standard. Performance standard. The learner has sufficient facility in English to understand spoken discourse and to talk and interact with others about personal experience and text lesson to read. Competency. Listen and interact with others in a group or class or in discussion. Listen and respond to text and recall the main ideas and relate them to personal experience. Converse, asking questions, talk about event and personal experience in a group, tell stories, recite, read aloud familiarity about the competency. So, These are the competency. I hope that if you have if you are able to write the objective or lesson plan, this video is very useful, and if you like it, please hit the bell icon, subscribe this channel for watching the upcoming videos.